Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. Thank you so much for joining us on this amazing live session courtesy of Simply Trade AI. I just want to share this link to as many people as possible so that you guys can get started. We can get started. We can get started. We can get started. Come on, let's go. Okay, so okay, good. That one, fine, was mine. And then from there, we share it to this one and this one. Okay. Just a minute, ladies and gentlemen. We are getting started in a few. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. I need to share this to as many people as possible so that we can have them on board. It's Mirasi. Hi, how are you? Good to have you here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys, for coming on board. We are getting started in a few. It's good to have you all here. Thank you so much for coming. Come on, let's go. All right, TikTok link. I'm already on the live right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, dripping dollars in the house. Come on, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming on board. This is your boy, Miraj. And of course, we are here taking this to the next level. Can you guys hear me? She got the vibes at Chico. I need to play this song. I need to play this song. I feel like it has been singing in my head and I don't even know what it means. I don't even know what it means, but let's do this, guys. Ati. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet again another amazing live trading session with the one and only. This is Mirage Tech, and we do this courtesy of Simply Trade AI. Ladies and gentlemen, say hi to your newest honor. Come on, let's go. How many people are ready to make some moolah in this building? Yo, data analyst, thank you so much for coming. Child of favor, how you doing? PR, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. We're super excited to have you here. Eva Gachoki, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Rita Njenga, how you doing? Dripping dollars in the building, yo. Let's go. Who's ready to make some moolah? Come on, let's go. But then let me ask you a question, guys. If you're in my group, how many people are still holding this trade? For those people who got this entry yesterday, how many people are still holding this trade? Esther Kimara, how you doing? Well, Are you ready? How many people are ready to make some dollars right about now? Mama TL, how you doing? Trix, how you doing? Wexstar, how you doing? Fafale, Gladys Mbudia, how you doing? Ihatus, Grace Nyambura, good to have you. Flo, thank you so much for coming. How many people are ready? If you're ready, give me some ready on the chat box as we are getting started on this amazing live courtesy of Simply Trade AI. Turn the nalo, sasa. Laughing machine, good to see. How can you call me a laughing machine? Like, honestly, me, laughing machine? Ha! Hey. All right. Enough with the introduction, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get started on this amazing set. And the very first thing that we're going to do is look at gold. Gold is the very first asset we're looking at, guys, and I can tell you for a fact it has been massively buying. It just started selling a few minutes ago, and we had a very nice signal sent to us. This signal has already done TP1 and it's heading towards TP2, as you can see. For me, I'm not sure I'm going to engage on gold today because it is not yet on overbought condition. So this is basically a high possibility that this market could just be retracing and then it pushes all the way up again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let it rest. As much as their signal has just come, I'm just going to let it rest. And then come back and check on it later once it is done with the buys. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any requests, keep the requests coming in. Ladies and gentlemen. You see, this market, there's a high possibility it's just doing some kind of retracement and then it pushes up. As much as we have a move to the upside, I still am very much ish about it. So personally, I'm not going to engage in this one. Let's look at something else. This is Euro USD. Let me go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Blue AI. Wait, Blue AI, I gave out, I told you guys to wait for it. Let me check very, very fast before we do anything else. Blue AI is getting ready. It is not yet ready. It is getting ready. And once we get a confirmation on Blue AI, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to sell massively because this market bought as if it had no manners. Look at how this market went all the way up. Nivo, that's enough. That's enough. Where? That's enough. That's enough. Let's get started. That's enough. How many people believe this is now officially our anthem? Bro, unless this is a marketing coup, why don't you live trade using that Simply Trade AI? What do you think we are doing right now? What are we doing right now? Are we not trading live? What are we doing? What are we doing? Reality. What are we doing right now? Are we not trading live? Are we not trading? So ladies and gentlemen, this one is not ready. You can see the 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. So we are just going to wait. We're just going to wait for it. We are just going to wait for 15 minutes time frame to confirm, and then we take that entry for a massive sell. So let's keep this one on the watch list. Let's keep it on the watch list and let's wait for it to confirm, and then we take the entry for a sell. And then there's this one here. I want you guys to look at this one and understand. I gave out a signal on this one and it gave us a very nice stop loss, which is okay. And as you can see, this market has been consolidating around this area here, and there's a high possibility this market is going to give us a confirmation for a sell. It gave us an entry for a buy, and because it's consolidating, it did take profit 1 and went closer to take profit 2, and then now it did a massive retracement. So what you need to know is that this market has overbought on the daily time frame. As you can see, it overbought on the daily time frame, and now it is looking to push this market to the downside. So we are going to wait until we get a proper confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame for sales, and then I'm going to give you guys a go ahead on this one. This is jump 25. This is jump 25. So let's wait for it. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, give me those amazing likes. How can you be 100 people on my live and I only have 800 likes? Like honestly, how does that even align? How does that? Coach Yukosawa, two boys. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. So we are waiting for this one. It has been consolidating so much, and we don't want to engage in a consolidating market. We want to engage when the market has given us a clear direction. Okay, somebody has asked for step index. Let's look at step index. Step index gave us a very nice signal here for a buy, and it did take profit 1, 2, and now it is back to the cloud. Mustard. Mustard iko wapi watu wangu? Mustard ipo. Mbona ipo sana tu. Thank you so much for the follow, ladies and gentlemen. Give me those amazing likes. Come on, let's go. Monica Blessing, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, Monica is in charge. She's the CEO and founder of Jewel Crypto Academy, also using Simply Trade AI, and very soon she's going to be calling shots on the crypto market. So get ready, so that you can be able to attend these lives and massacre the market. So now this is step index. Step index has given us an entry for a buy, and we had a very nice double top here, back to the cloud. This market, as long as it is above the cloud, this market is expected to keep on pushing out to the upside. So let's make sure that we keep an eye on it. It has a nice buy, and there's a high possibility it's going to continue buying all the way. But again, if the dashboard is looking like this, I don't engage. If the dashboard is looking like this, you already know, guys, we don't engage when the market is looking like this. So we're going to be we're just going to wait for it to align and give us a very nice alignment. And the alignment we're looking for is a monochrome on the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, same color, and then 30 minutes going down to the daily time frame, same color. That is what we are looking to see. Okay, volatility 75. Volatility 75. Somebody's requesting for volatility 75. Volatility 75 is going up. It's going up. This one we have an entry for a buy, and it's looking very nice. This one, high possibility, is going to push on the upside. This one is looking good, guys, for a buy. For the person who requested for volatility 75, this one is going up. It's looking good for a buy. You can literally engage in this one. It's looking good for a buy. Always exercise proper risk management. That is always the advice. So this one is looking good for a buy. It's going up, it's pushing up, it's pushing up. Always exercise proper risk management, guys. For the person who requested for this, there it is. This one is looking good for a buy. Volatility 100, volatility 100. Volatility 100 is looking for sells. So we're going to wait for it to confirm on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, this one has not yet confirmed on the 15 minutes time frame. It has been buying massively, and now it is looking to do some massive retracement. So we are just waiting for the 15 minutes time frame to confirm, because it has already started retracing. So we're going to wait for 15 minutes time frame to confirm, and then we're going to go in. TST USDT. TST USDT. TST USDT. Oh my god, it is gone. It is going down. It is going down. This one was given out yesterday, right? This one was given out yesterday. It is still going down. It is going so much down, guys. We are so excited about it. It is making money. It is making moolah. It is making money for some people here who took it yesterday. So this one is gone. What you need to do is wait for it to head back to the cloud. If it is going to do that, wait for it to retrace back to the cloud, and then you go in for sales. That's what you need to do, because right now it has left us. Thank you so much for the follow. People took this entry yesterday. People took this trade yesterday. TST, this was given out yesterday, guys. If you took that entry yesterday, you should be in massive money right now. XAU USD. Gold. Gold is selling massively. As you can see, we got an entry here for a sell. We got a signal for a sell, and it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. What I'm going to do is wait for it to do a small retest back to the cloud, and then you can take that entry to the downside. Gold is crazy. You have to be very careful. Only risk what you're willing to lose. Gold is crazy. You have to be very careful with this one. Come on, let's go. CRV USDT. I'm guessing it's CRV USDT. CRV USDT. Is it Tether? Is it Tether? Is it Tether? Tether? Is it Tether? Tether? So this one is looking like it's about to confirm on the 15 minutes time frame, and then the beauty of this one is that it went to overbought on the daily. So once we get a confirmation here, it's going down. It's going down. Get ready for this one, guys. Let's put this in a waiting list. Let's put this one. Joe, I will check for you right now, Joe. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience. I will check for you just a few minutes. Guys, remember guys, we don't trade everything. We don't trade everything. You only request what you're working with or what you're looking to trade, and then wait for your setup. Please do not trade everything. These assets are being requested by different people. If it is not an asset that you personally trade, do not engage. CRV, CYS, ICP, and Blue AI. These are crypto assets that we are looking to see how they're going to behave. So we are waiting to see how these ones are going to behave. AUD card, this is for Joe. AUD card. AUD card is for Joe, guys. It's for Joe, it's for Joe, it's for Joe. AUD card is getting ready for buys. Please wait for it. Please wait for it. It is getting ready for buys. As you can see, this market was on a massive downtrend. Though the daily is not yet done with the sells, so there's a high possibility it might be pushing down to the downside still. So you have to be very careful with this one. The daily time frame is not yet done with the sells. See, the daily time frame is telling us to wait here. So this one, there's a high possibility it might push to the downside a little bit. So you have to be very careful with this one. Be very careful with this one, guys. Be very careful with this one, okay? As much as it is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame for a buy, Let's wait for a confirmation of the 15 minutes time frame. Once we get it, then we are going to look at it. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. After GBP NZD, we are going to go to step index 200. Now look, this one gave us a signal here for a buy, and it has done take profit 1 and 2. So what you're waiting to see here is a retracement back to the cloud. Once you get a hook up, then you go in for a buy. But remember, the daily time frame is still selling, so that could be tricky. That could be risky for you. You have to be very careful with this one. You see, the daily time frame is still. Guys, what's going on? Good. Okay. So this one, once you get a hook up on the 15 minutes time frame, it should be signaling you to go all the way to the upside. Be very careful with it. Wait for it to retrace back to the cloud, and then you can go in for buys. But remember, the daily time frame is not yet done with the sales, so you have to be very careful with this one. UB40, UBUS. No. Wait, before UB, we are looking at step index 200. Somebody requested for step index 200, guys. Step index is going down. It is still selling. It has left us. Let it go. With this one, we are just going to wait for it to start buying, and then we're going to take the entry. You see the dashboard is going down. So let's wait for it to start. This one is step index. This one is step index. This one is step index 200. So what we are waiting for is we're waiting for this market to finish all the selling. Once it starts buying, then we're going to take the entry and buy. Right now, it's not ready for anything. Let's wait for it to finish selling. On the daily time frame, it has to go below 30, and then we take the entry. So this one has left us. It has left us. Guys, make sure you tap on the screen. Make sure you tap on the screen. Make sure you tap on the screen, guys. So step index 200 has left us. Volatility 75. Volatility 75, we took that entry. It's going up. It's going up right now. We took that entry. I remember I told the person who had requested earlier that we are buying massively. Take profit 1 is at 50,016. Take profit 1, 50,016. Take profit 1, 50,016. 50,016. That is take profit 1. Volatility 75. 50,016 is your TP1. 50,016 is your TP1. TP2, 50,46.2. 50,46.2. That is volatility 75. Volatility 75. Volatility 75. TP1, 50,016. 50,016. TP1, TP2, 54.62. 54.62. And your stop loss is at 48,679. 48,679 is your stop loss. 48,671. 79. 48,679 is your stop loss. We are the chosen generation. We call for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me, and I know who I am. We are generation. We've been called for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me. Come on, let's go. Always remember, guys, to only risk what you're willing to lose. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is volatility 75, and it's going down. Blue AI seems ready for a sell. Let's look at Blue AI. We have been waiting for Blue AI for some time right now, guys. It's getting ready. It's getting ready. It is not yet ready. It has just told us to wait. It is almost. You see, 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. Please wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it, ladies and gentlemen. Blue AI is looking to go to the downside, and it is telling us to wait. So there's another one, CRV. CRV is also telling us to wait. CRV is also telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see here it is telling us to wait. And then another one is ICP. ICP USDT. It's getting ready to go down. It's getting ready to go down. As you can see, it is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's be patient. Come on, let's go. CYS. I'm walking on power, walking miracle, take a look at me, I'm a wonder. Can you see His glory? CYS is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Once this one confirms on the 15 minutes time frame, it's going down. Okay, which other one? German 40. German 40. German 40. German 40. Guys, when you see a request for German 40, just know. Just know. Just know. Mata is in the building. Come on, let's go. German 40 is not ready for anything. It gave us a signal for a buy here. Did take profit 1 and 2 and then did a massive retracement. And that retracement was because of this consolidation here. So be very careful with this massive consolidation. Be very careful with this consolidation. Wait for this market to give you a direction, and then you take the entry. When you hear a request for German 40, just know the one and only Mata is in the building. Come on, let's go. GUA Jump 75. We've just talked about Jump 75, guys. Coming in, declaring. Now look at this one here with GUA USDT. When the market is looking like this on the dashboard, please do not engage. This is a very crazy market. It can do you bad. So just don't engage on this one. You see, it is all mixed up. We need monochrome on the 1 minute time frame to the 15 minutes time frame, and monochrome from the 30 minutes all the way to the daily. That is what we need. If the market is mixed up like this, do not engage. Jump 75. We already took an entry on Jump 7. Oh, no, not Jump 75. No, it was not Jump 75. Jump 75 is all pushing up. It is buying massively. This one has left us. Let's wait for it to start selling. Then we take an entry for a sell, because the daily time frame is overbought. It is on 73, so we wait for this one. Lona is asking for NAS 100. NAS 100. NAS 100. We got a signal for a sell on NAS 100. And this one is looking to go down, but let's just wait for it for a few minutes because of this bullish engulfing candlestick that is printing right now. Let's wait for it for a few minutes because of that bullish engulfing candlestick that is printing right now. This can really mess us up. And then look at the daily time frame also. The daily time frame is not yet done with the buys, so there's a high possibility this market could just push up. So as much as we're getting a signal for a sell on the 15 minutes time frame, the daily time frame is not yet overbought, so this is not a very good signal. It is not a very good signal, so let's wait for it. And then volatility 10 index. Come on, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Volatility 10 index. Volatility 10 index. We have been massacring this market. We have been eating it. We have been drinking it, and it's looking yummy. It is still buying, but of course it has left us already. So if you see the buy has gone all the way to the 1 hour time frame, all the way almost hitting the 4 hour, this is a market that has left us, so we don't need to engage on that one. With XAUUSD, I told you we're just waiting for small retest back to the cloud, and then we drop like it's hotter. So we're just waiting for this market to retrace back to the cloud, and then we drop like it's hot, guys. As you can see, we are far away from the cloud, and according to the instructions that we were given, always remember to take an entry on or very close to the cloud. Is going down. Faith, good morning. How you doing? Good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want you to tap on the screen right now. Tap on the screen. Let's go, guys. Tap on the screen. For those people who are interested in this amazing AI tool that scans the market for you, giving you entry, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3 on all time frames, please go ahead and send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. I've given you an opportunity to honor the number of the newest car owner in the building, y'all. Come on, let's go. Jump 25, ladies and gentlemen, Jump 25 is also consolidating. So we are waiting for it to give us a clear direction. We don't have a clear direction on Jump 25, so we are waiting for it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just wait for it. It has been consolidating and consolidating. Lin G, come on, let's go. Jump 50 is about to be falling, to be a falling knife. Let's look at Jump 50. Jump 50. Jump 50 has just given us a double top. This market, we have been eating this market since yesterday. You can see how it is looking. And it must end with an S. It is 278 simplified. Come on, let's go. So this one is Jump 50, ladies and gentlemen. We took this entry yesterday and we have been massacring the market courtesy of Simply Trade AI. And this is just nothing. The market is above the cloud, so this market is supposed to be going to the upside. No matter the matter, according to this system, if the market is above the cloud, you're supposed to be looking for buys only, nothing else. Thank you so much for the follow, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the follow. For those people who are interested with this AI scanner that is going to cut almost 70% of the time you are using to spend to analyze the market until you develop analysis paralysis, just go ahead and get my number on my bio. Click on the link on my bio and get my number. Send me a message starting with the word scanner, and I'm going to show you how to access this one and how to use this amazing scanner. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on pre-sale and it is ending on 15th of this month. So if I were you, I will reach out right now so you can get this scanner for yourself and use it to make a lot of moolah. It's going down. Gold does not want to go back to our zone. It's going down. It doesn't want to go back to our zone, guys. It's going down. Gold is going down. Doesn't want to go to our zone. Okay. So XAUUSD, we have talked about that one. Happy morning. Jump 25 is getting ready. It is not ready for anything. Please don't engage on it. It is not. It is consolidating. Jump 10 is also consolidating. The market is not ready. Like right now, the market is looking crazy. Let's look at BTC. BTC is also not ready. You see, it is buying right now. It was selling massively, so we are waiting for it to start buying, and we are waiting for the 15 minutes time frame. And as you can see, it is not ready. So we are just waiting, guys. Who has something that can give us money this morning? Crash 1000, guys. If you know you have the AI scanner, please go ahead and my Imani, click on the link on my bio. The what? Click on the beacons link on my bio, and you will get my number there. Crash 1000. Let's look at Crash 1000. Crash 1000 is not ready. You see, the 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait for that buy. So let's wait for it. Blue AI, is Blue AI ready? Blue AI, is Blue AI ready, guys? Let's look if it is ready. No, it is not yet ready. Don't be in a hurry to lose money. It is not yet ready. You see, it is telling us to wait here. We are waiting for it. It is not yet ready. Boom, boom. Which boom? Which boom? Which boom? Which boom? Guys, if you have the AI scanner and you can see any asset that is ready on your side, Coach Monica of Jewel Crypto Academy, please let me know if there's any asset that is ready on your side. Because for me, I am looking at this. Boom 300 is all mixed up. VIX75, please check. Okay, XAUUSD, we have just done that. This one is not ready for anything. Look at this. Don't be in a hurry to lose money. Yes. If you take an entry without proper confirmation, my friend, you will lose money. Why are you in a hurry to lose money? We want money. We don't want to lose money. We want money. Okay, this one is looking good. This one is going all the way up. This is Boom 500, ladies and gentlemen. It is buying and it has been buying on the 15 minutes time frame. Right now it's on the 30 minutes, and on the 30 minutes time frame it's already almost hitting take profit 1. So what you need to do, take profit 2, sorry. So what you need to do is wait for the market to come back down to the cloud, just a few moves, and then go in for a buy. So wait for it to do a small retest and then go in for a buy. This one is Boom 500. Boom 500. Let's wait for it to do a small retest and then take that entry for a buy. Let's wait for it to do a small retest and then take that entry for a buy. And of course, we're going to be targeting these zones as our TPs. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. So just a small retest, and then after that massive retest, small retest, we're going to go in. Margaret Waweru, Kanyau. GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD is selling massively on the 15 minutes time frame. And you can see it is going down, it is going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. GBP USD is selling, ladies and gentlemen. GBP USD is selling, ladies and gentlemen. GBP USD is selling. GBP USD is selling. For those who are trading GBP USD, this one is going down. It's selling massively, selling massively. GBP USD is going down. Volatility 75, yes. I did check volatility 75. I've just checked volatility 75. I've just checked. Let me check it again. I think we are on an entry on volatility 75. Guys, tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. Volatility 75. We are on an entry, and it is just done a retracement, and we are looking to push the upside. GBP USD 1 day not overbought. Oh, GBP USD is not yet overbought. Okay, so guys, if it is not yet overbought, please, what have you said? About what? Volatility 75, we took an entry. Maybe you came in late, but we are already in an entry. We took a buy on volatility 75, and it is on drawdown right now. That is what I said, and we are holding it. Okay, GBP, guys, GBP USD is not yet overbought on the daily, so you have to be very careful with this one, guys. AUD NZD. AUD NZD. What are these? What are these, guys? What are these? What are these? What are these? What are these? What kind of candlesticks are these ones? Now, what is... Mina choka. Mina choka. What are these? What type of candlesticks are these? What kind of market movement is this now? Okay, guys, let me explain to you something here. Let me explain to you something that you need to understand. This AI scanner, ladies and gentlemen, is going to scan the market for you, gives you entry, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3. And what you need to understand is that when it comes to interpreting this dashboard, for you to be able to get the best entry, always look at the daily time frame. Make sure that the daily time frame is either overbought or oversold. And then, once the market is overbought or oversold, wait for the market to start turning around from the opposite direction. When I say opposite direction, what do I mean? Porsche, how you doing? What I mean is, if the daily time frame is over 70 and this market is all green here, then what you need to do is wait for it to start selling from the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame. By the time it hits the 15 minutes time frame, you take that entry for a sell. That's what you need to do. But if it is not yet overbought or oversold on the daily, as much as you're going to get an entry for a sell or for a buy, you have to be very careful with that entry, because there's a high possibility the market could still continue going to that direction in which it has just come from. So it is important for you to ensure that you understand that part. You understand that part. So AUD USD on the daily time frame. Let's look at AUD USD on the daily time frame so that we can be able to see AUD USD on the daily time frame. So this is AUD USD on the daily time frame. See, the daily time frame here is not yet overbought. It's 57. So as much as this market is selling, it is not yet done with the buys. So you should be very careful with this one. I'm not saying you should not engage, but you should be careful with it. That's what I'm trying to say. Jojo Kim, how you doing? Pewa Simano, thank you so much for coming. Liz Kelly Brown, thank you so much for coming. You guys are amazing. So as much as this market is selling, please be very careful with this, because this one means that it is not yet done with the buys. Let me show you. You see, it is not yet done with the buys. On the daily time frame, it has just started buying. It has just started buying. So you have to be very careful with this one, guys. See this one? You have to be very careful with it. Index, step index 200. Step index 200. Step index 200 is going down. And we said we are going to wait for it to turn around, and then we're going to look for entries, because now this dashboard was all red when we were looking at it the first time. Guys, for those people interested in this AI scanner is going to tell you when to go in, when to wait, and of course, any person who owns this scanner gets into a lifetime mentorship with one of the best coaches in the universe today. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than Her Excellency Immaculate Madahana, and of course, in collaboration, in conjunction with yours truly, aka Mirage Tech Trading Academy, of course, together with Gravity Hub, with Dripping Dollar. We all come in to ensure that you become successful in this journey of trading. So if you're interested in this, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and click on the link on my bio and let's check it out. What is CRA? CRA is not doing anything. Jump 50. Jump 50, ladies and gentlemen, Jump 50 is still going up. It's still going up. Jump 50 is still going up. It is above the cloud. Whatever happens, ladies and gentlemen, if the market is above the cloud, hold it. We have an SL. You have an SL. We have an SL on jump on what? What is it called? Volatility 75. We have a stop loss, right? That market is going to do two things. Either it's going to hit stop loss or take profit. There is no other way. If you are in, you are in. I am also in. See, I am also in, and it's in drawdown. So I am waiting for it to either hit stop loss or take profit. No other way out. Of course, when you're doing this, make sure you're okay risking the amount of money you're risking. That's what you need to do. What is check VO70? What is that? Gold. We've talked about gold, guys. We've said with gold, you wait for it to do a small retracement back to the cloud, and then we go in. Once you get a hook down from here, you're going to go in. So, ladies and gentlemen, two things are going to happen. The entry that we took, two things is going to happen. Either it's going to hit stop loss or hit take profit. That is why we have a stop loss. Volatility 75. Let's look at volatility 75 again so that you guys can see what's going on. Here it is. We took an entry for a buy, right? You hold. Two things will happen. Either it's going to hit a stop loss or take profit. So long as you're okay risking what you're risking, just hold that market. If you're not, then unaweza anza kusumbuka kidogo. You can start feeling ish. But for me, I am very okay. In fact, And I wish you knew what I was doing right now. Somebody say Marco. Okay, come on, let's go. All right, guys, that one is done. So we leave it to do whatever it wants to do. In what time frame am I supposed to check for hook down, hook up? 15 minutes time frame. That's your time frame for hook up and hook down. 15 minutes time frame. Look at this one. Look at how it is hooking up like this. This one is going up. V75 has just hooked up. Yes, it has just hooked up. So let it do whatever it wants to do, guys. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let it do whatever it wants to do. If it wants to go up, let it go up. If it doesn't want to go up, let it go wherever it wants to go. So 15 minutes time frame is supposed to give you the hook ups and hook downs. For those people who don't understand what is hook up and hook down, join the mentorship. Join the mentorship. You will understand why people get excited as they are massacring this market. Okay? So this market is looking to push all the way up, and this market is going to give us a very nice profits. GJ, what is happening on GJ? GJ, ladies and gentlemen, is all mixed up. As you can see, the dashboard is all mixed up. As we said earlier, we don't engage in a market that looks like this. Volatility 25. Volatility 25. Volatility 25 is all mixed up, and it is telling us to wait. You can see the dashboard is all mixed up. We don't engage in a market that is looking like this. Again, the daily time frame is not yet done with the buys, so this one is not our market. Please check your US30 right away, right about now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm checking it for you. This is US30. US30 is going down, but let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. US30 has been selling from for a while now. It has been selling from here. Look, it sold all the way from here, then did a little bit of a consolidation here, and now it has given us an entry for a sell. For the person who is looking to trade US30, you can literally engage in this one, but of course only risk what you're willing to lose. Only risk what you're willing to lose. For the person requested for US30, you can engage in this one. It looks good, but only risk what you're willing to lose. Only risk what you're willing to lose, US30. Only risk what you're willing to lose with US30, because it's a crazy market. It's a crazy market, ladies and gentlemen. It's a crazy, crazy market. Okay, so US30 for the person who asked for volatility 75. Nani? Sijasema tutoke, tumesema tuwache ifanye chenye inataka. Either it hits take profit or hit stop loss. Let it do whatever it wants to do. So long as you're risking what you're willing to lose, let the market do whatever it wants to do. We have a stop loss for a reason, guys. So US30 is looking like this. XAUUSD, we have just talked about XAUUSD right now, and we said we are waiting for XAUUSD to retrace back to the cloud, and then we go down. If it doesn't go back to the cloud, let it go to where it wants to go to. Boom 1000 left us. Somebody saying Boom 1000 has left us. Let's look at Boom 1000. Do you guys believe that there's a high possibility you might get to the market and then you do all your scanning and everything and you don't find an entry? Do you know that is also possible? Why? Because, oh my God, Boom 1000 is flying. It's going up. It's going up, guys. Boom 1000 is gone. So there's a high possibility you might scan and then you don't find an entry. Now look at this one. Are you seeing this dashboard here? This is all green. What you need to do is wait for this daily to be on overbought condition. Then once you get a retracement, the market starts selling from the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Once you get that, then you take the entry for the sell. So this one is buying, yes, but the daily time frame is not yet done with the buys. You see, when you got the daily, you see what is happening on the daily, ladies and gentlemen. On the daily, this one has to push and go all the way up. So if it gets to this resistance here, and then we get some kind of a retracement, then we can look for that entry for a sell. Kama unaona huko ni mbali sana, unataka kuingia buy at your own risk. At your own risk. But for us who understand the system, we are not going to engage. XAG. XAG, that is silver. Somebody is asking for silver. Silver is behaving the same way as gold. It dropped massively. We got a signal for a sell, did take profit 1 and 2. And now there's a high possibility we're looking at a retracement back to this zone. And then we drop to the downside. But remember, the daily time frame is not yet done with the buys. So please make sure you are careful with this one. Oh my God. Guys, feels like I'm not going to get any entry on this one. Today is that day. Volatility TP2 hits. Volatility 10. Did we take volatility 10? Hiyo nayo sikumbuki yo. Did we take volatility 10? Volatility 10 index. Yes. Yeah, it's going up. Well, for those people who took this one, congratulations. For those who took it, congratulations. 10-1S. Volatility 10-1S. Now listen. This one is a very good one. Oh my God. As much as the daily time frame is not yet done with the cells, let me confirm one thing here, guys. No, this is a good one. Now, the daily time frame is not yet done with the cells. So this one, there's a high possibility it's going to drop. It was so tempting, guys. But the daily time frame is not yet done with the cells. This one is very tempting for a nice entry for a buy, but it is not yet done with the cells. So let's be very careful with this one. But I'm going to add it on my list of, on the wait lists. I'm going to mark it, then I check it out. Step index plane. Congratulations. Step index plane is going up. We have a signal on the 30 minutes time frame. Only risk what you're willing to lose, ladies and gentlemen. It's going up. We have a signal on the 30 minutes time frame. Only risk what you're willing to lose. This one is a crazy one because the daily time frame is not yet done with the buys or with the sells, sorry. So be very careful with this one. Be very careful with this one. It's going up, but be very careful with it because the daily time frame is not yet done with the sells. So be very careful with this one, guys. Jump 25 and jump 50. What is happening on jump 25 and jump 50? Jump 50, we have been eating this market. The market is still above the cloud. When the market is above the cloud, it does not matter how tempting it is. You do not engage in any kind of sales. Guys, let's tap on the screen. 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 Take me to 10,000, please. Just 100 each. Just 100 likes each. And then we close it. Volatility 51S. Before volatility 51S, let's look at jump 25. This market, man, this market, yo. This market, man, it has given us another entry for a sell, but I don't like this one. I don't like it because this market is consolidating. If the market is consolidating like this, man, it can really do you bad. It can do you bad. I'm telling you, it can do you bad. Jump. Look at what it did. It gave us an entry here previously. Remember, I even sent it to the group and then it went back all the way up. Gave us an entry for a buy, did take profit 1, and now it is consolidating. This is crazy. You can't engage in market like this. It's crazy. You can't. God is good. Oh. God is good. Oh. Congratulations. SP500. SP500 with the dashboard is all mixed up. This one is not a very good one, so leave it alone. The dashboard is all mixed up. Leave it alone. It doesn't have any kind of direction. I'm telling you, Jam 25 is crazy. I took an entry for a sell. It went and did a stop loss. And then I've decided from now henceforth I will not engage in any. If the market is consolidating, please leave it alone. NAS 100 is also consolidating. The dashboard is all mixed up. If you engage with one like this one, you are going to cry. Wait until the market has given you a confirmation for a buy and it's following the direction as much as it's supposed to be. Guys, listen, give me 10K likes. Let's tap on the screen. I want to look at one very nice asset as you are tapping on the screen. GBP USD, for the person who are requested for GBP USD. But remember, guys, remember, GBP USD is not yet done with the buys. So if you are engaging with this one, be very careful with it. Euro USD, just the same as GBP USD, Euro USD is also behaving the same way. But this one has left us, the sell has left us. It has sold so massively. It has sold massively, the sell has left us. Man. Let's connect at 4 p.m. 3 p.m. with dripping dollar. Let's connect at 3 p.m. with dripping dollar. In the meantime, keep an eye on Blue AI. Keep an eye on Blue AI. Blue AI, guys, keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on Blue AI. It's getting ready for sales on the 15 minutes time frame. So keep an eye on Blue AI. It's a crypto trade. This one is going to give you some good money. In the meantime, let's connect again at 3 p.m. with dripping dollar, ladies and gentlemen, because for me, the market today is looking crazy. It has not given me anything to work with, and I don't want to force the market. I am not in a hurry to lose money, so I'm going to protect my account. Okay? Even volatility 75 is looking like it's going to hit stop loss. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Guys, let's connect again later on. We don't have anything. We haven't caught any good entry. We only took one entry today. That is volatility 75. And it's not looking very good for us. So let's not force the market. Let's connect again at 3 p.m. See you on the next one. Have a lovely, lovely day. And remember, for those people who are interested in this AI scanner, click on the link on my bio. Send me a message. Get my number. Send me a message. And we are also, let me also take this opportunity to welcome you all to our very amazing launch that is going to be happening this coming 29th. The launch of Simply Trade AI is coming this 29th. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be one of the biggest launches ever. Again, I want to also welcome you to our physical training this coming Thursday at Skyview Hotel, Skyview Opal Hotel. For those people who know Kamakis, on your way to Kamakis, Apo Koyo Junction, Apo Thika Road, Apo Koyo Junction, please make it a date. Let's connect there on Thursday, and I can tell you for a fact it's going to be amazing. You are going to learn. You're going to meet up with people who are very committed to understanding what is happening on the market, and people who are committed to assist you understand how to max out on this financial market. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those people who are interested in crypto trading, crypto classes, these are crypto classes only. Crypto classes are starting on 1st of September. And the price goes for $299 for 3 months. And then after that, you're going to be in the lifetime mentorship program. So if you're interested in this one, go ahead and send me a message on my bio. We are going to link you up. For those people who are interested in Forex classes also, they are starting on the 1st of September, and it is $299 with lifetime mentorship. So welcome on board. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and I hope to see you again at 3 p.m. today with Dripping Dollar. See you on the next one. Have a lovely, lovely evening. But before we finish, it's important we do this. It's important we do this, guys. It's important we close this market the right way. Come on, let's go. Are you ready? See you on the next one, ladies and gentlemen. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Have a lovely one, ladies and gentlemen. Where the launch will be on Kiambu Road. Just send me a message, and I'm going to send you an invitation card, an official invitation card. It's Mercy. Please go ahead and send me a message, and I'm going to send you an invitation card that will have all the details. Come on, let's go. You're welcome, Lillian Muller. Thank you so much for coming. Kupe kila kitu chana na usiku tufanye mavitu baby. Kupe kila kitu chana na usiku tufanye mavitu baby. Thabo Tomeleto, how you doing? Extra is when iko packing imechili. Sean, you need to come, bro. You need to come over. You need to come over. Like I'm telling you, you need to come and check it out. It is one of the best cars ever. 278 simplified. Quick. Now, this is the reason why I was telling you guys need to be very patient with this market. Look at this one. Imagine if you had taken the entry because you thought it was ready. Look at this one. This is Blue AI. Please be very careful with it. Volatility 75. Wachana nayo ifanye chenye inataka. Two things will happen. Either it's going to hit a stop loss or take profit. And we don't give a about it. Oh baby. Thabo, let me send you my number. Thabo, that's my number there. That's my number. You can send me a message. Let me show you how to do it. Kachumbari baridi. Wait. Guys, see you on the next one. Have a lovely day. Let's connect at 3 p.m. with Dripping Dollar. If you haven't followed Dripping Dollar, make sure you follow Dripping Dollar because she's coming at 3 p.m. today to call amazing trades using this AI scanner. Come on, let's go. All right, see you on the next one. Bye. Bye, guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Makosha. Sasa tukimaliza kama hivyo.